a man in a language he understands, that goes into his head. But if you talk him into his own language, that goes into his heart. Cultural
a burden for poor and Baduy people. There was a transferee named Tonyang Bartolome. Tonyang Bartolome is from Agusan del Sur. This is her first time going and studying in Manila, so she's really clueless about the living in Manila. Let's find out how she can adapt to her new environment and new people to meet.
Let's welcome her. Yourself. Nasa mo! Tonyang Bartolome. It's so cool! Galing pa ako sa Bulukundo. That I might heal you guys. I'm a Muslim, not a killer, and it hurts. Every day you go to school, you're always bullying me. I just want to stay at home, but I can't. We can all be friends, even though we have different God, beliefs, religions, or even language. We can be friends. Let's just respect each other, please. Yeah. All right, class. That's enough. We'll be doing some activity, and I need to photocopy this, so let's take a break. I give you 5 minutes break.
Don't mind, can I sit here?
Sure, it's not our property, so you can sit whenever you want.
Okay. As a president of our class and on behalf of our classmates, we are all sorry for what we have done to both of you. You are right, Salem. We have our own differences, but that's not a reason to have a barrier to our relations that we may build. We want the both of you to be our friends, to be part of our family. I hope hindi ko huli ang lahat para bigyan ng kami ng
There's no reason to make it. The most important that you and our classmates already learned their lessons. I'm so happy that I and Salem are now friends. Welcome to our class. I'm so so happy that we have already our friends.
The thing that I should do right now is to forgive and forget. College life is too short for us. So I'm happy that you already learned your lessons.
Thank you guys. And we're sorry for being bullied.
It's alright.
Thank you for your understanding.
Thank you so
Friends.
friends.
Culture of diversity is the driving force of development, not only in respect of economic growth, but also as a means of leading a more fulfilling, intellectual, emotional, and moral spiritual life.
We are created with different lives. We are created to be proud of ourselves. Finding a friendship who will accept us. To every friendship, the rich and the poor. We are the world of different cultures, and we need to respect each other. Helping each other, build each other, as long as we're together, you and me. For together we stand, divided we fall. Together we climb to the top of the world. We can be what we want for the world to see, 'cause we are the children of yesterday's dream.